Trending in the Facebook is an incident showing a 3 or 4-year-old daycare child boxing, hitting, or hurting his fellow daycare child not only once, twice, thrice, but multiple times, shockingly for almost 20 minutes. That horrible incident indeed shocked and broke the heart of everyone who had viewed it, with extreme pity to the child victim left unattended for a long time. Fortunately, that tragic incident did not transpire in the province of La Union, but somewhere else. But as preventive measure, arresting at the earliest stage the development of antisocial personality disorder or any form of juvenile delinquency akin to San Jose National High School Tacloban incident, ruthless killing and indiscriminate shooting of minors by minors, thereby ascertaining our children's welfare, safety, and moral character formation, we in the province of La Union must sustain the implementation of programs, projects, and services geared towards the enrichment of our daycare service and early childhood care and development program. Since early childhood is the primordial and the most important phase of human development, wherein we must afford best care, moral guidance, and ample protection and attention to our very young children. Among the provincial government programs which are significant but not sustained on annual basis, considering that there is no local legislation yet institutionalizing them, are the annual conduct of the search and recognition of outstanding daycare workers association, best daycare centers, and best daycare workers, including the annual conduct of comprehensive training for the enhancement of our daycare workers who have been dedicatedly molding the Christ-like behavior and innate potentials of our very young children. Many people regard daycare service or early childhood care and development as a very ordinary program. But believe it or not, what you are today is a product of how you were raised before. In the chronological stages of human development, from early childhood to elementary, high school, college, or even post-college, early childhood stage is the most significant and critical stage of development. Because there have been a long line of researches and physiological, psychological, medical studies which consistently show that the physical, psychological, moral, mental, emotional, social, and spiritual being of a person could be developed up to the extent of 60% during the early childhood stage. For that reason, in the Philippines, daycare service or early childhood care and development is considered as an indispensable social welfare and human resource development program devolved to local government units under Section 17 of Republic Act 7160, otherwise known as the Local Government Code, statutorily supported by Republic Act 6972, mandating the establishment of daycare center for every barangay throughout the Philippines, and made holistic and a joint responsibility now of line national government agencies like DSWD and DOH and local government units. So daycare service is just a part of early childhood care and development program. The Holy Scripture likewise say it in Proverbs 22:6, train up a child in the way he should grow up, so that when he is old, he will not depart from it. Towards the sustainability and enrichment, therefore, of our existing daycare service or early childhood development program, with continuing improvement of facilities of daycare centers, primarily by city and municipal governments, this representation respectfully propose the passage of an ordinance institutionalizing the annual search and recognition of outstanding daycare workers, best daycare centers, and outstanding daycare workers association. Further establishing the annual comprehensive training for the enhancement of daycare workers, otherwise known as the active program, so that we could continuously enhance the skills and knowledge of our daycare workers. And the La Union Daycare Workers Week celebration, which are all geared towards the improvement of our daycare center, while we concomitantly recognize our hardworking, deserving daycare workers as we enhance their knowledge, skills, competencies, as well as their Christian values for them to make our children responsible, kind, and God-fearing. The appropriate ordinance, Your Honor, will be passed for consideration and approval on first reading. Thank you very much to all of you.